Hi there. I wanted to show you how to add some metadata to child pages in ASPX. I'm not going to run this um, project, but I just did want to show you that we can use a master template. Like this is the main template that I have here that we're using. And inside of it, we can use the ASP content placeholder and put metadata inside of there. And then when we go to the child page that's using the master template, we can switch ASP to ASP content. Like here we have ASP content placeholder. We have the ID and metadata. And so in the child page, we'll say ASP content, and then we'll say content placeholder ID of that master template that it's using, and give it the same ID. And then that way, if we include this, it will overwrite everything inside of the original one in the master template, and then it'll let us add um, our own items down here. So this way we can have our own, like we can have a default set of metadata for the master template, and then we can have a metadata. We can have other metadata that is not um, other metadata that, yeah, for each child page we can let it have its own metadata. So that's just a way you can use ASP content in ASP.NET to um, modify yeah, specific parts of the main template. So I mean the concept here, like it doesn't have to be just for metadata. We can take any part of the master template and have like a replaceable part in there. So if we have a section that we want to include only on certain pages, or if we want to modify it on certain pages, we can have that section wrapped in its own content placeholder with its own ID, and then we can go and replace it later on in the child template here, just as long as we are using the ASP content and the um, content placeholder um, content placeholder ID matches up. So that is how you can work with a content and content placeholder in ASP.NET, and that's how you can use it for metadata as well as other things in your HTML. And hope that helped. Thanks for watching. Bye.